Monnie Drea is a very beautiful, popular and talented American YouTuber, actress, comedian and a social media star. Her younger sisters have been featured on her Instagram account, Monnie Drea. A comedic sketch named My Boyfriend's Bestie, which features comedian Cornell Ross, is one of her most popular YouTube videos. Monnie has inspired millions with her creative thinking and quality content. There are numerous such forces to be reckoned with becoming popular through web-based entertainment, and one such big name is Monnie. She is an emerging personality who would surely rock the entertainment field of America in the coming days. On her YouTube channel, she has teamed with fellow YouTube star Kinigra Deon. She is one of the famous American YouTubers from the United States. She is known for her looks, charming smile, style and amazing personality. She has a huge audience and you can see how he credits them for developing through virtual entertainment by constantly posting new content for their appreciation. She is additionally famous for her striking Instagram pictures and videos. She was always fearless on the stage and loved to demonstrate her talents. She is one of the most influential characters on TikTok. TikTok has one of the world's most incredible algorithms for discovering talented individuals, and one such talented person is Monnie. She is mostly known for his satire post and lip syncing on TikTok. She has cute big eyes and long velvety hair that looks extremely attractive. He has a lovely personality. Although it took much of the day to build deep connections with the audience, her gentle nature made it fast. She reported on numerous outdoor trips and travel encounters in the virtual entertainment scene. Individuals love to see his posts and engage with them by enjoying, bookmarking and sharing his post.